guys, welcome to the channel. I've got a turntable, a shower cap wrapped around it from the dollar store, a piece of tape that I put sticky side out. Now I'm just going to make sure that I'm level. Looks pretty good. I've got Jay and the Americans and the Sands of Time. Never heard of them. Stick that down. I'm going to do an open cup pour. Just a second, I gotta get my coffee. And I think the reason why my last one didn't work is because I did not have the right size hole. So my cup was just a little too big at the mouth. So this is a circle cutter from polymer clay. And it's quite small. About an inch, maybe inch and a quarter. So I thought, well, there's not going to be enough room for paint. So I took some masking tape and I stuck it to the inside. So now we're just going to pour a black base down. And it looks like I got chunks. Lots of chunks. That's what I get for using old paint, huh? The paints I'm using are just leftover paints that I've had sitting around for months. I got away from painting. Now I'm kind of like regretting it, having withdrawals. Try to get that a little bit even. And I got a nice big puddle in the center there. So let's get started. I've got Artist Loft Ultramarine Blue. We don't know if this is going to be too heavy, so we're just going to find out here. Artist Loft Light Green, Bright Green, but it's aqua. And this is turquoise. And it's not going anywhere, is it? It's just filling up. This is magenta from Artist Loft, lime green, and yellow. We'll put a little black in the bottom. I like that blue, that's pretty. Let's do it again. I want to see more pink this time, I think. I know I'm going overboard with paint, but I didn't like that. Come on, do me a favor and turn out gorgeous. Okay, let's spin it. This is too muddy. I don't like this. Too muddy, guys. How's that? Is that better? Do we have a better view now? Woo, making a mess. Let's give it one more spin to get rid of the outside layer. Let's see what that one does. This looks like crap. Okay, so another open cup pour. Just get it spread out a little bit. Way too much pink here, so let's see if we can get this to come down and create some interest. Looks like a brainstem right there. is pretty right here. I love the variation in that color, the way it has blended. There, wipe off my fingers and we'll give it another torch. What do you think, guys? I like it. This paint is just mixed with Floetrol and water if I needed it. Okay. I will go take this and let it, well, here. Let's do a close-up. I gotta get my fingers really clean before I grab my phone. I love these colors, guys. This is pretty. Well, this is the best part coming up here. My favorite part. Look at how that blended. Ooh, it's so pretty. All right. Look for this one in a future video. I have plans for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying to the end. Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.